to run the bass low.
Hi everyone, my name is Balak Brian. Today I will show you how to find Dvars. But first of all, I will tell you the address for player state and M flags for the UFO. You can copy this function. How to find it? Well, it's really easy. Go to your player state. Search for your name, user, and search for the huge line of F, like under it, and there. Kind of huge line of F, yeah. So this is the address. You get the first byte, and this one you will change it to 00 or 02. 02 disable, 022 enable. But you will get this address. So you get this one, F43B00, Control V, and that was the offset. And that was the current function. Write integer 2 if the state is true, or write 0 if the state is false. The state is either activated or not. So yeah, but now this tutorial will be on finding Dvars and changing them, well, their values. So it's really interesting. So first of all, get in your strings window. You will press Alt T and you will find your Dvar. Let's try on CG5. Not every Dvars will work, but this one works. There is also almost all of them that will work. Get your CG5, and when you see a string that is not loaded, like this one was undefined, undefined 2, yeah. This was my CG5. Just press A, or you can right click and A. So we can read it way much easier. So get its address, Control C, and now this is why we love our memory dump. Double click on it and search for this address as a X value and check all. Press OK. Now you have this address, but it's not the good one. Like this one is like in the low memory, like it's still in the E-boot. What we want is something really high in the memory. So F. Now this is something, it's kinda high but not enough, and we don't see anything structured like values or anything. So press F3. This is really high, and I can see the values here. So I will explain it really fast. Okay. First, there's your Dvar address. It's a huge pool with every Dvars. The first thing you will see is the string of your Dvar, your actual Dvar name. Now there's two unknown value that I personally don't know what it is. Then there's your current value, minimum value, and maximum value. We will not mess with those. We'll just mess with the current value. So for CG5, get your string, Control E, Control C, go in Prodigy Debugger, 0x, Control V. Press Shift G to make sure it's really CG5. Now Control Shift G to go back. And this is a float value. We'll change it to something really messy like 43. Yeah, that will make it really messy. That's my CG5 right now. Let's change it to something like 2B. And yeah, it's kinda better. And we can set it to something like D. And yeah, well, it works. So you could just set the value to this address, and you could make a function with it. Like I'll make something really fast, and I'll put it in the player state because, as I said, I really want to make it fast. Static void and set fav. You cannot set it to clients only and to yourself, so set value and ps3 dot not set memory, write integer at this address, and you will just write the value. Actually, it's not write int, it's write float. God, write float. Alright, and we will set this float, not float, no, it's a float. Alright, and reset our, there you go. So that will be our function for set_fav. I will not keep it as I will not use it. I might try to make a Dvar editor, which I will make open source and maybe show you how to make one. We could use, it will be like, it will work like player state or anything like Gentile. You will have the start address where everything starts. You'll have the size. The size, I know it's 0x48. Take a note. And you will just need to find like the name will be 00, like it's the first thing that we have. That will be the name. Two unknowns we don't care about. Then there will be the current value, minimum value, and max value. So you will just need to make a structure like player state and to mess with it. That's my challenge for you guys actually. Try to make a Dvar editor. I already made one. Not fully working though, there's some bugs, but I'm pretty sure everyone could do it if they follow my tutorial on player state and everything. Now, how many hours are made yet? Oh, only 6 minutes. Nice, that's awesome. So I can show you localized strings. What are they? Well, it's just strings in the game. Like, I made a string editor, but it had many bugs because sometimes it gets messy in there. But yeah, let's try something. First, I will end my game. Actually, I'll pause the video. Alright, while it's leaving the game, I will show you what I did with the Dvars. I used R part, no, R, let's say, film. Alright, go to this place and make sure to click on string to make them organized. And I messed with R film tweak. First you gotta enable it, so use this Dvar and set it to 0 Then you have R film use tweaks, set it to 0 and R film tweak enable, set it to 0 too. And you can mess with stuff in there like R film contrast and everything. I made something kinda cool. It was well, before the community was poop, I was making a Zombieland, but I stopped working on it. But that was my idea for the colors. That was the actual idea for the colors. Like kinda foggy. I wanted to add some fogs and like some night colors. Maybe some blur when you get it or something. It was really interesting working on it. Yeah, I also changed the fog a bit. Oh no, not on this picture, but I changed the fog on the real one, and it was really awesome. The zombies was really creepy. Yeah, so you can do all of this with the Dvars, as I said. And also something else we will do now is the strings. So close this poop. Come on, press circle, circle. Go back to the main menu of your multiplayer. Not this main menu, nope. I said no. Alright. So now it's really easy, like I don't even know why it's not been modded yet. Just search for play online in capital letters. Text strings. Maybe it has been modded, but I don't know. So search for play online. Could take like 30 seconds. Not this one. F3. This one. Alright, this is perfect. So go to this address in Prodigy Debugger right now. Alright, 0x Ctrl V. Now I will show you how this thing works. Alright, the strings, the localized strings are, first of all, you have the actual text, which is this. I'm not sure if it's this one though. Yeah, it should be this one. Let's change it to play like that. Alright. And you have to go back to local play so it can load the string. Go back. And yeah, as I said, it's not this one, so. But yeah, it's still the same structure. I will find the real one after. So, first of all, you have the actual text. Then you have the reference text, which is the variable name. Yeah, like the variable name. And it's everything is separated by a null byte. Null byte, and we go on and go on and go on. But yeah, this is not the good one. Let's search it again. This one is the good one. So 0, 0, fuck yourself. Right. Play online and platform play online. So caps. So this is the reference name, like the variable, and this is the value of the variable. So let's say bad luck, right? Fucking not enter. Okay, bad luck Bree. Don't care. Go in local play and go back to the multiplayer menu, and it shall say bad luck Bree. Yay. You can add some buttons like 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 08. This should be really messy. Go to local play, go back online, and it should show you some buttons. Yay. You can also make something really weird. 0, 0, 0, 0, bleh, and 0, 1, 0, 1. And as you see at the store location, like here, you can see like the buttons. It's kind of cool. And there you only see X. So yeah, I think I just wasted all my time. Yeah. So that will be, yeah, that's all for the Dvars and the localized strings. You can make some functions with them, like on player state. Yeah, I think I will make a string editor on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you soon.